All right, my friends, here we are. We're starting our information research. So I wanted to show you how to set up your notebook page so that you can use it and keep your work handy. So at the very top, go ahead and write today's date. And then underneath it, you can write the title, just like we do in every other class. And then remember, you don't want to write past this red line right here. That's your margin. So one thing that I've always done is, if I don't want to make sure that I don't write past it, is I can fold it up against that line. So that way I know, hey, I need to stop writing right there. So informative essay research. And the reason why we're labeling this as our research is because we don't want this to get confused with our rough draft or our writing graphic organizer. So we're going to come over to this red line now. And remember, we're going to write as neat as we can because we have to remember what we wrote for later. So we're going to write our person's name. This is not your name. This is who you are researching. So you're going to write that, put that right there. And then the birthday of that person. And it's always a good idea when you are telling when somebody is born, you want to tell where they are born as well, because, you know, that's important to their life. The next thing is the day that they died, if they died. Because we have some of our people that we're writing about that haven't passed away. So this might not be something that everybody finds. So date of death. Just like that. And then now we're going to come up here to this red line again, and we're going to find some information about their family. And you want to have at least 2 facts about maybe life growing up, or, you know, how their family influenced them, just something about their family. And what I do is I put bullet points here, and I'm going to give myself a few lines to write on. Just like that. The next one is what they did or why they were important. So I'm just put, why were they important? I want to make sure I have enough lines here. And remember to write in your neatest handwriting so that you can read it later. So leave a couple room for a couple of sentences there. And how the world is better or different because of them. All right, so I'm not going to write the whole sentence there because we know what it is. And that's kind of important too. You know, on your research, you don't have to write it out in complete sentences. This is just like your notes. So you can write, you know, it was a part of a large family, or you could say 7 brothers and sisters. You could also say moved around a lot. You don't have to write down the name of the person and exactly what happened or what you're going to make your sentences later. This is just going to be something easy. You don't care if there's spelling mistakes really on this one, because you're trying just to get the information down. Okay?